Hello and welcome back to our video. This problem, we're given this diagram and we're looking to find what the length of x is. So the first thing we're going to do is we have that AB is 1800, so we can just write in these values. EB is 1400, BD is 700, and CD is 800. Now, we're told that angles AEB and CDB have the same measure. So angle E, you can think of it as, since there's no other angle that shares the center point of E, we can just call it angle E, and angle D. And we have angle ABE is equal to angle DBC. Okay, so we have two pairs of angles that are equal to each other in these two triangles. That means that the triangles are similar. We have to do this when we write out the triangles are similar to each other. We have triangle is similar to triangle. When we're writing out the names, we have to do it by the corresponding angles. So E corresponds with D, so we can write that first. Then B corresponds with itself, since that's the center part of these angles. And then the last one is A corresponds with C, just because those are the only ones left. So, what does that tell us? Well, since we know that DC corresponds with EA, right, making sure you're linking the corresponding angles to each other, so the first to the third and the first to the third, EA over DC. These are corresponding sides. This is going to be equal to a ratio of other corresponding sides. So we have BA over BC, corresponding the second and third angles. And we have EB over DB. So these are the three pairs of corresponding sides that we got by pairing corresponding angles to each other. Now, we know that we're looking for EA, since EA is x. We know DC is 800. When we're looking, we don't know what BC is, so let's not use this pair. But we do know EB is 1400, and we know DB is 700. 1400 divided by 700 is 2, so we know x over 800 equals 2. All right, because divide both sides, divide the numerator and the denominator by 100, and you get 14 divided by 7, which is 2. Getting x on its own by multiplying both sides by 800, these cancel, and we get x is equal to 2 times 800 is 1600. The problem is asking what is the value of x, and our final answer is 1600. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.